Ever pondered the secret to crafting authentic Mexican quesadillas within the comfort of your own kitchen? Well, wonder no more. Get ready to embark on a culinary journey that's sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving for more. First, gather the ingredients. Traditional Mexican quesadillas require a handful of simple yet flavorful components. You'll need 8 medium-sized flour tortillas, 2 cups of shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 1 cup of cooked chicken, half a cup of diced onions, 2 minced cloves of garlic, 1 diced bell pepper, and a handful of chopped cilantro. Don't forget the essentials: a dash of salt and a sprinkle of freshly ground black pepper to taste. Now, onto the cooking. Start by sauteing the onions, garlic, and bell pepper in a hot pan with a drizzle of olive oil. Once the onions turn translucent and the bell pepper softens, add in the cooked chicken. Give it a good stir to combine the flavors. Next, bring out the star of the show, the flour tortillas. Place 1 tortilla in a clean, heated pan. Layer it with a generous sprinkle of shredded cheese, followed by a scoop of the chicken mixture. Sprinkle another layer of cheese on top, then cover it with another tortilla. This double layer of cheese ensures a gooey, melty center that's hard to resist. Once the bottom tortilla turns golden brown, flip the quesadilla carefully. Cook until the other side achieves the same golden hue and the cheese has fully melted. Repeat the process with the remaining tortillas and filling. Finally, as the quesadilla sizzles to perfection, chop up some fresh cilantro. Sprinkle it over the top for a burst of freshness that perfectly balances the rich, cheesy filling. Cut the quesadilla into wedges and serve it piping hot. A side of salsa or guacamole would complement it wonderfully. In summary, the path to a delectable Mexican quesadilla involves a few straightforward steps. Begin by sautéing a mixture of onions, garlic, bell pepper, and chicken. Layer this mixture between 2 tortillas with a generous serving of cheese. Cook until golden brown, sprinkle with fresh cilantro, and voila! You have a delicious, authentic Mexican quesadilla ready to be devoured. This simple yet satisfying recipe brings a taste of Mexico right to your dinner table. So, what are you waiting for? Get cooking and enjoy the explosion of flavors that is the Mexican quesadilla.